Hey guys and gals, just a quick one. If all the code that I go through in my Unity Tech tutorials makes basically no sense to you, or you cannot decode it to make any sense of it, if it's basically not in English to you, I highly suggest you sign up for Codecademy. It's a completely free website that has interactive courses on coding. Let me show you what I mean by that. Now, it's been a long time since I've been to this website, and they've really changed a lot to it. You can see they have web development skills, they have coding language skills, and then they just have a few little fun, I guess you would call them projects, as well as some guides on how to use a ton of APIs. So this is one of my favorite websites for interactive coding learning. So let me go to the JavaScript one, for example, which was where I learned JavaScript. Essentially, you go through basically every single part of JavaScript that you'll need to know to get started, and finishing this JavaScript course will essentially guide you into learning C# in a fairly short amount of time. I would equate this and the 10 hours estimated course time to probably reading and finishing all the examples in 2 to 3 books. It's very easy. For example, if we just start with the very beginning course, and I'll show you what I mean by interactivity. It says, what is your name? So you just type in what is your name in quotes, and then you hit save and submit code, and if it's correct, it'll come up green with a check mark, and you're allowed to go to the next lesson. And then it says, okay, well, how do we discover the length of our name? So it gives you some instructions. You don't put your name in quotes dot length. And then again, you do the same thing. You go on to the next lesson, and eventually it gets harder and harder and harder, and eventually it goes on to where they will just give you tips and you have to figure it out. So it's not just a code giveaway, it actually teaches you to think outside the box, to problem solve and stuff like that, which is very, very, very important when it comes to programming. As well as that, it teaches you about OOP, or object-oriented programming, which is the basis of most programming languages in today's coding world. And among that, it teaches you the core concepts of all programming languages, loops, if statements, else statements, while statements, all sorts of different things. So I highly suggest you take this course if you have any interest in programming, game design, app development, or anything of the sort. And yeah, the interactivity is great. I highly suggest the JavaScript course if you're just starting out. And if you want to do anything with website based, they have a bunch of great website ones, as well as Python. If you want to start to make your own scripts for Blender, the Python course is just great, and in no time you will have more knowledge than you thought you would be able to get. So anyways, I just wanted to highly suggest this website. I suggest it to everyone I know that wants to do some sort of programming, coding, make their own apps, games, or whatever. I say start here. So anyways, that's all for now. I just wanted to plug this website. I've had some people asking me where to go to learn coding, so this is what I suggest: codecademy.com. We will talk to you guys later.